Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by waking the display and accessing the power controls. This gets you where you need to be fast. Press the side button once to light the screen, then press and hold the same side button for about 2 seconds until the power options appear. If the watch is unresponsive, hold the side button for 10 seconds to force a restart, then repeat. Make sure the battery is above 5% so the device can shut down cleanly without tripping protective states. Once the power menu is visible, locate Power Off in the list. You can swipe, tap, or rotate the bezel to move through options depending on your model. When Power Off is highlighted, tap it to select. Some watches require a brief hold to avoid accidental taps. If a confirmation dialog pops up, tap Confirm or slide to confirm the shutdown. This ensures the operating system closes apps and services properly, preventing possible data loss or corrupted system files. After confirming, the screen will go dark and the watch is powering down. Wait at least 10 seconds to ensure the shutdown completes. If the device unexpectedly reboots instead of staying off, plug it into the charger for 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Low battery can cause reboot loops. If problems persist, perform a soft reset first and only use factory reset as a last resort because that erases data. Contact support if you still cannot power off reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.